the assembly process, there are several common problem points. If one of them is encountered, unfortunately, in many cases, it may lead to the damage of the tooth, and in severe cases, it may result in the scratching of the entire component. Here are the hidden dangers revealed to all colleagues. Improper screwing methods, such as angle deviation or excessive on-site can immediately cause thread damage. After tapping unsolved materials is prone to thread wear after multiple disassemblies and assemblies, affecting its service environment. How to prevent these problems? Namely, a wire thread insert in advance to withstand wear and protect the base component. This small preventive measure can avoid major troubles in the future. Do you think this method is effective? Please share your views in the comment section.